Well, another stock we're tracking, high-tech payment company Bill.com. It has also tripled since hitting a low on April 1st. Kate Rooney, she's with us live. Hey, Rooney.
Hey, Frank. Good to see you. Bill.com. It's not one we talk about every day, but it's one of the outperformers during the pandemic. The software company automates and digitizes back-office operations. Think of invoices, bills, other payments, for example. Two things are making it a Wall Street favorite this year. First, digital payments. During the pandemic, businesses and consumers are moving away from paper-based payments and what analysts call inefficient processes. Second is SaaS, not the type of SaaS you might be thinking of. It stands for software as a service. Investors tend to love that predictable subscription revenue. Its core customers are small businesses who are getting hit disproportionately hard by COVID-related shutdowns. But Wall Street is looking past some of those near-term challenges and betting on the bigger trends at play. New opportunities include more partnerships. It already has some white label deals with Bank of America and JP Morgan, as well as Intuit, and grabbing some more of the 30 million U.S. small businesses as the economy moves to digital. The company just went public in December, did see about a 30% dip this year as that lockup period expired in March, but it's back up about 80% since then and roughly 150% this year. Some of its biggest investors got in when the company was still a private Silicon Valley unicorn. Temasek, August Capital, and a well-known software investor, Emergence Capital, are all among its top investors. Frank, back to you.
All right, Kate, thanks a lot. Now we're going to turn to a question about Bill.com.
Hi, Josh Brown. Huge fan. I have a quick question for you about Bill.com. I like the fundamental story a lot, but technically it just seems too overbought. And I want to know what your thoughts are and what price would you buy it?
So I bought it right around here earlier this week, and I think the stock is in the midst of a breakout. So it went down today with a lot of the other tech high flyers. Sometimes they end the week this way. I am trailing this with a stop. I don't own it at any price for all reasons forever. So when I buy a technical breakout, I have to be disciplined. So I am trailing this one. But I really like the story fundamentally, and I hope it becomes a long-term investment. If I get stopped out, if the market tells me I'm wrong, I think that happens probably about 6-7 points lower than here. Doesn't mean I'm done with the name forever, Ian, but it's a really great way to go in with my exit plan in advance and understanding the difference between a trade and an investment. This is not an investment yet for me, and it may take 2 or 3 purchases before I really nail it. I do think the company is destined for huge growth. I also think the valuation is more than reflecting that. So that's a little bit of a balancing act. But I'm staying long for right now, and I like it.
Josh, real quick, we want to educate fundamentals. That's what Ian said he's trading on or buying on. Explain that to people at home.
So my opinion is that the fundamentals tell you what to buy and technicals tell you when to buy it. So it doesn't always work as cleanly as that, but you would not take a technical trade in a stock, meaning buying a breakout, right? Or buying a false breakdown or something to that effect if you hated the fundamentals of the company. At least most people wouldn't. So the way I'm thinking about Bill, of course, it's a great company, but of course the market already appreciates that. I want to buy this thing while it's in an uptrend, and if that uptrend is violated, I no longer want to be a part of it.
Right, so the uptrend is the technical part. The fundamentals is this deals with Intuit and other companies like that.
Yeah, so fundamentally speaking, you're looking at revenue, you're looking at earnings, you're looking at management, you're looking at the quality of the balance sheet, the income statement. A technician would say, yes, I understand all that, but the market is aware of that information. Tell me when the buyers overwhelm the sellers and this stock breaks into new ground, and that's when I'll participate. So that's the way I'm trading Bill.com right now.